All right, so here we have streamline kick on the back, one arm in front, the other arm down by your side. Now he's leaned over on his right side. That's okay because backstroke is swam on your sides as well as your back. Arguably more so on your side than on your back. So him having his shoulder up like this is not a bad thing, it's good. You could either be flat on your back or you can be on your side. On your side is a little bit more technical than being on your back because of the balance aspect of it. But as you can see, he's kicking from his hips. There is a little bit of whip in his legs, bend in his knees, but overall it's a controlled kick, and he's moving through the water efficiently. With every kick that he makes, he's pushing water and he's in streamlined position. So this is okay. So here we have Jared. His kick is not bad, but his alignment is not off. Is not correct. He's not very intentional with his upper body. Even though his head positioning is not bad, he's just kind of waving in the water with his upper body. It's not really, there's no real intention with the way he's positioning himself or holding the pose. So with that, he's not moving through the water efficiently. There's a lot of drag here. It's not an efficient use of his body to be doing it this way. And this is, again, his kick is okay, but when you are isolating different parts of the stroke, you want to make sure that the rest of your body allows for focus on that one area. And here we are focused on the kicking. So this would be incorrect kick, freestyle or backstroke kick, roll to the front or to the back, just because of the way his arms should be all the way straight down to his side or in streamlined position. It's a little bit more technical. This is his backstroke kick. He turns to his front, but his controlled movements. His head is not moving when he's on his back, no matter what the rest of his body is doing, and that's exactly right. A lot of the problem that we have with swimming is our head is not controlled. The movement of our head, or the lack thereof, is not controlled, and therefore the rest of our body has to follow our head. And if our head is not positioned in the correct way, it throws the entire stroke off because your balance is off, your alignment is off, and we don't put a lot of stock. We should be, and when we're learning, making sure that you're very particular about your head positioning makes the rest of the stroke look and feel more composed, and you're able to isolate different areas that you need to focus on. So very, very important to have controlled head movements when you are swimming.